see. Ooh! Outside of the box is very pretty. So first, they included a nail lamp, which is really uncommon, and if they are provided, they're usually tiny, but this is a full-size nail lamp. This is what the lamp looks like. These are the other kinds that they make, so we've already gone through the Zodiac series. So of course we have our picker tool and the brush. Oh my gosh, I did not think they were going to be sparkling polygels. I can't wait to swatch them. Under here, looks like there's another layer. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never, ever, ever seen a kit include these type of decals. Oh my god. Nail form, one file, jewel forms. Oh my gosh, look at the polygons. Even more jewels. Top and base coat. Ah, I can't wait to see what these look like. Sweetheart, blessed, soulmate, forever, glamorous, adorable. Here are the swatches. Here they are with the flash so you can kind of see them glow. Can't believe this kit came with these decals and now I'm fantasizing.